I'm going to school.
I'm going to school.
Listen to the teacher. Okay guys, good morning. Pupunta na si Jenny sa school while ang aking son wala school. Wala kay school daw? Good morning. Wala sila school kay sick pa ilang teacher. Kaya si Jenny lang ang mag-school today. Happy? Ihatid ko pa siya sa school. Kasi delikado ang hagdan. Baka mahulog ang aking prinsesang botol. Prinsesang botol yan eh. Maglakad lang na dadapa ka agad. Hi Dong, good morning. Good morning Dong. Say good morning na.
I'm 7 years old.
7 na ikaw?
Yeah. I'm not 6
Grade 2
years
na ikaw?
old. I'm not 6 years old.
Hi. Say bye-bye na kayo mga tunatan.
Bye-bye.
Now we're going to school na. Bye-bye.